this learning video section. Today our topic is static electricity hazards in hydrocarbon industry. What is static electricity? Static electricity is the result of an imbalance between negative and positive charges in an object. These charges can build up on the surface of an object until they find a way to be released or discharged. Rubbing certain materials against one another can transfer negative charges or electrons. Static electricity means the increase of electric charge on the surface of objects. This electric charge remains on an object until it either flows into the ground or loses its charge quickly by a discharge. What is the hazard? The main hazard of static electricity is the creation of sparks in an explosive or flammable atmosphere. These sparks can set off an explosion or a fire. Steps to danger: generation, accumulation, discharge, fire or explosion with flammable mixture. Static discharge. A hazardous electrostatic discharge occurs when an accumulated static charge is released in the form of a spark with sufficient energy to cause ignition. Generation. An electric charge is normally generated by contact and separation between surfaces of dissimilar materials. Some examples: fluid flowing through a pipe or hose, distillation, or columns or accumulators operation. Mixed flow of two fluids with different densities, flow of hydrocarbon with water, conveyor belt operation. In refinery operations, columns, splash filling, mixing or agitation, steaming, purging, sand blasting. Static electricity accumulation. Highly refined petroleum products are poor conductors and therefore good accumulators. Charge will accumulate due to low conductivity of product, inadequate time for charge to dissipate if the container is not properly grounded. Mitigation by limit charge accumulation, provide bonding and grounding, allow sufficient time to dissipate charge. Precaution during petroleum product handling: avoid splash filling, ensure bonding or grounding, wait before gauging or testing a newly filled tank. Fueling with grounding. An anti-static wrist strap, ESD wrist strap, or ground bracelet is an anti-static device used to safely ground a person walking on a very sensitive electronic equipment to prevent the buildup of static electricity on their body. Static dissipator additives are conductivity improver additives that are added to aviation turbine fuels to avoid sudden increase in conductivity that may occur during transfer or pumping of ATF. In a refinery, ground all equipments individually, ground all vessels, columns individually, bond all pipelines or valves and ground properly, ground all storage tanks. Thank you friends for watching this video.